What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have the biggest trade in the history of this channel, about $14,000 worth of trade goods. We are actually going to be going to a local store, bringing about 20, 30 pairs of shoes, and we're going to be doing the biggest trade that we've ever done. So come along for the journey today. We have to cut back to about a week ago before we had this new studio, if you didn't know, we're in the new studio, and going ahead and packing them up, showing you guys which shoes are gone. So let's go ahead, rewind real quick. So what we're gonna be doing now is taking some of the shoes that I have and bringing them to a local sneaker shop. Now, we're gonna be taking some like these Dunks, the 420 Dunks. We're gonna bring these Jordan 13s. He said bring me like everything that you have and we'll kind of work out a deal and see what we want. Cause it's about $2,000, $2,500 worth of sneakers. So we're gonna bring what I got, see what he wants, and then hopefully go from there. So we're gonna be taking some of these down. I'm gonna bring these ones because these have not sold yet. And then we're gonna bring these. We're just gonna be bringing a bunch of shoes. So we'll show you us loading up all the shoes once we get it all picked out. All right, guys, we're headed to Hype right now to go ahead and try to do this trade, as well as we're going over there to buy some shoes for another video. So it's gonna be like deja vu whenever these videos come out. It'll probably be a few weeks apart, but it's gonna feel like deja vu. We're headed there now. This GTR exhaust is wild. The sweet sound. Ignore the honking, but we got all the sneakers ready. Hoping we can come to a deal. I brought a lot of good stuff. Also, malls like this, they're dead malls. They film shows here. So this mall, they film Cobra Kai for YouTube. And the one that's down the road, they film Stranger Things. So it's pretty cool. I don't think Khan, the owner of the store, is expecting us to bring a whole cart full, but we love Khan. Khan loves us. So we brought some goods. We're trying to figure out, you know, what we're gonna do, but this is the shoe. I'm not gonna show you what it is. This is a pretty fire shoe. You guys have to see later down the road because I don't want to give this away yet. You have to wait and see. This is the first part of negotiating here, when I'm piecing out all the different items that I brought and showing him and seeing what he would like. Little did I know that he was going to want every single thing that I brought. So from there, I have to go ahead and now price everything out because we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Eventually, I need to get another pair of these. They don't have my size here, but I'm beating mine down. Might get a fresh pair soon. 12 and a 14. Ooh, I have not seen these in person yet, actually. These are kind of wild, spiky shoes. So at this point, Khan let me know that they wanted every single shoe that I brought in. There's about 15 items that I brought in, and they told me they wanted every single item. So this is the point where we sat here for about, I don't know, going back and forth, figuring out what he wants as far as value, what I need as far as value, and kind of going from there. So this trade became a lot bigger. All right, guys, I'm not gonna show you this. So we're working out like a massive trade right now. Like, we're talking probably $7,000 worth of stuff. I'm tying the shoe right now that I'm looking to trade for, or that I think we've already come to a conclusion on. Oh my God, these are so sick. We're trying to come together on something, try to just unload. I think it's probably like 12, 13 pairs. So we'll update you guys. We're trying to work it out, but we're getting somewhere. All right, so we've come to we spent a long time. I was thinking we're gonna maybe trade a couple shoes. We traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is kind of what we're looking like here. All of these. So we had to come back forth a lot because I think a trade should feel like you both should feel okay with it. Not one person shouldn't be like super hyped and think that they won over the other person. I think we came out good. I just moved a ton of inventory that I had sitting, and I think it'll be good. So we'll explain a little bit more when we get home. All right, guys, we're walking out now. We got everything. We did also do a little bit of cash on top. So we'll do a full breakdown when we get home and show you guys exactly what we came out with. But this was a massive, like, I don't even calculate right now how much it was total, but I have to take a lot of stuff off my site because that sold. So we'll check when we get home. Before we go any farther, at the end of this video, I'm going to be announcing the winner to the Supreme Louis Vuitton giveaway, as well as the $500 mystery box giveaway. And if you didn't see the current giveaway that's going on, it'll be linked down in the description. We're giving away shoes for back to school. If you didn't watch that 10 back to school sneakers video, check that out. You entered to win a pair of maybe Yeezy 500 or something like that. You never know what you could get. So now let's go ahead and show you guys what happened with this insane trade. Alright guys, so we are back from the trade right now, and I want to break down everything that happened and show you guys everything we got. You can kind of see some of the stuff that we have right here, but let's go ahead and break it down. So I ended up selling a total of, this is a $13,000 trade. I ended up getting rid of a line box logo hoodie, a red Supreme jacket, which was like from 2006, I think, Fog Vans, Jordan 13s, 2 Revenge Storms, 1 Jordan 9, 1 Jordan 10, Union Jordan 1 in black. We have the Louis Vuitton Jaspers, the Nike SB Cheech and Chong in the 420 dunk. We have Jordan 22s, I think they were, and then a pair of SB Ginas. Now the total of that came out to around $6,150 to $6,400 in my eyes. In their eyes, they can probably sell all of that stuff for about $8,000 to $9,000. But for the price that I had on my website, that was about $6,150. So after that, this is what I ended up getting. First thing up, what you guys might have been able to see, was this MCA Off-White Air Force One. One of the craziest looking shoes that has come out with the Off-White collection. This is actually one of my favorites just because I love that blue. You guys didn't know I wore the Volts all the time. Now they had this valued at about 2,000 bucks. I realistically think it's about 1,800. They're selling on StockX for about 1,600, 1,700 right now. I think this is a solid about 1,800. Amazing shoe. This is the shoe we went in there to initially just do the trade on. Brand new dead stock, but I'm probably gonna be wearing these. I haven't worn them because I've been waiting to film this video. Leather quality is actually really nice on them too. So that was the first piece, $1,800. Now, the rest of it right here is where it all broke down. So they didn't really want to get rid of too many shoes because I wanted stuff that I could sell, hype stuff. So first thing that we ended up getting was a Supreme box logo hoodie. This is from fall winter 16, I believe, in a size extra large, going for about $800 to $900 on StockX. This is a good value, about $800 to $900. So sitting right there, we're about $2,600. So Supreme box logo hoodie, I think it is used once, but still really good hoodie. They wanted to swap because he wanted the Volt hoodie for his personal collection. And then we ended up with 4 different shoes and this Super Soaker Supreme gun. This is like 50 bucks, but I just wanted to get it for the shelves and whatnot. But Supreme Super Soaker, just a cool little accessory. Then we had 4 pairs of shoes. Now there's 3 Yeezys, which I got so many Yeezys because I intended to sell them because I know they're easy sell for me. The first one up we got was a pair of Yeezys Zebras right here in a size 11, as you guys can see. Going for about $430 new. They went back up, used about $300 to $350. These are pretty used. But we got a pair of Zebras right here. This is just a cool pair. One of my first like expensive Yeezys I got back in the day. Then next up we got a pair of Off-White Blazers in the black colorway. These are going for about $700 to $800 on StockX right now. These are brand new. They had them at $700. These are size 11.5. Thought another one for an easy sell to get rid of. So we're at 700 here. I'd say about 800 honestly. I think one of the last sales was 800 on them. Then next up we had another simple pickup, was a Yeezy Clay. These are one of my favorites just because of the orange as far as the Yeezys go. They had these at $425. I realistically think they're worth about $350 to $375. So we had those, and then lastly we got a pair of Yeezy Butters. There's only one in here. I used the other one for a custom video that didn't end up coming out. There's a problem with the video and we didn't end up using it, but this is the shoe right here, size 10, and that was about 220 bucks. I forgot a shoe. We also went with the Off-White Nike hiking shoe that just came out. These are nothing crazy. They had them at 250 bucks. This is a size 12. This is like a really wicked and wild shoe, and it's cool, but I just wanted to get it because I like to have like one of each of the kind of sneakers that come out, especially like Off-White. So this is one I thought would be cool. They had it at 250. I valued it about 250 as well. And on top of that, we had $1,400 in cash. So all of this plus $1,400 in cash for everything. I wanted to get the Off-White Jordan 1s in the UMC, a fresh pair, but they didn't really want to let go of those, and that was around $1,000. So we ended up at $1,400 cash. So the total of all that came out to, the MCAs had at $1,800, the Off-White hiking I had at $250, the Yeezy Clays I had at $350, Yeezy Butters $220, the Blazer mid black at $800, the Super Soaker at 50 bucks, the Zebras at about $440. I need to change it to $400. The box logo hoodie at $800, and then $1,400 cash. Let me get that total real quick. $6,070 was that total that I came out to. So I feel like this trade is pretty fair. I think everything came out pretty decently fair. I'm happy with the trade. I know they're happy with the trade. They're selling some of this stuff at a little bit of a higher price than I sold it to them. Obviously, they have profit margin they need to make, but this is this easy way for me to get rid of a bunch of shoes because I needed to go ahead and move some of that inventory because I have so much right now. Now, if you go to their store or their Instagram, you can buy some of those items that I traded, but you probably could have gotten it a little bit cheaper on my website if you would have bought it then, but you guys might have slept. So I do also want to show you guys a quick unboxing. If you don't remember, like a few weeks ago, maybe 2 months ago now, I went to New York, I went to Stadium Goods and filmed a whole video there buying the Dream Sneaker collection. Well, the shoes came in, I just have been holding them. I want to show you guys the shoes that I came in because when I filmed that video, I told you guys I'm actually buying them. I'm not just going there acting like I'm buying something and not doing it. So let's check out those pairs. If you didn't forget by now, because there's some heaters. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do this Super Soaker. We're gonna load it up and spray the camera with it. You ready for that, cameraman? So I'm contemplating showing you this other thing that's on this table. I wanted to do like a little feature with the Stadium Goods stuff and that, but I don't know if I want to because I also want to use it for a future video. Basically, I was gifted something for the channel and I want to show you guys. It's really cool, but I don't know if I should wait for the other video that I'm doing. That's what I'm deciding right now as I fill this up. Oh, I pump it.
Oh, relax.
Got the Supreme. Nothing happened, bro. Ready?
Relax.
See if this works.
Oh, dude.
I got the whole... I got the cameraman soaking wet. Oh, well, I gotta dry off the camera now. That did not go as I intended. I thought I was gonna make a little stream. Just got the whole counter wet. Cameraman just sprayed me and he ended up getting the camera. Hopefully he didn't like mess up the mic or nothing. As cameraman cleans up the mess that he just made. Because I didn't even make much of a mess, just on the window. Bro, come on.
Oh my god, it's so wet.
Did you just fart?
No, it was the wall.
Ah, my elbow again. All right, guys, so let's show you what we have from Stadium Goods. The video was about 2 months ago. This stuff came in, I forgot to show you guys. I never found a place to put it. But one of the shoes that was in my last back to school video was this pair of Sakai Blazers. This is one that was in there, but I decided to take it out a little bit early for that video. I actually was supposed to get the Sakai greens, but at the last minute we changed it and I confused them and we ended up putting these instead of the green ones. But this is a really nice shoe for the price that it's at. Ow, I just hit my funny bone. But that's fair, you guys have already seen that. And you guys should know what's in here. First one up is a Cause Jordan 4. I finally was able to get them in my size 10.5. You guys, if you don't know about this shoe, I've had it in a size 13 and I've had it in a size 7 or something. But I finally was able to get my size. You guys know I love Cause, I love artwork, and we have the gray Jordan 4. Beautiful shoe right here. It's glow in the dark. Will match my shirt really nice once it's glowing. Cause Jordan 4, they're going for a lot of money right now. And then lastly is, oh, this shoe is so nice. The Serena Williams Off-White Blazers. Tell me that this is not insanely fire. I've been wanting this shoe for so long, you guys know that. And this is just that other pair that I was telling you guys about. So yes, I did get these. I'm gonna be rocking these. The 4s, hopefully I rock them. It's hard for me to put on 4s because I can't find the right fit for them, but these are gonna be worn a lot this winter and fall. So I wanna show you guys that real quick. I think I might save this. I don't know yet, we'll see. I'm still deciding. It's really cool. A lot of YouTubers have had it, but basically it's a really cool sneaker display. But we're making a new set soon, so I might incorporate it with that. Let's go ahead and show you guys these giveaway winners. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you guys know whenever I get a new pair of shoes, I like to spray them down with some Rejuvenated Protecting Spray just to go ahead and protect the whole outside from anything like rain, dirt, ketchup, if you guys didn't see that last clip. So Rejuvenator is the place that I go to for all things sneakers. They make sneaker whites, they make full sneaker cleaning kits where you can put it in the washing machine, stuff like that if it's really bad. But whenever I get a new pair of kicks, I like to just take Rejuvenator, spray down the shoes, make sure we're all protected for any sort of circumstance. So if you guys can get anything on Rejuvenator.com, use code Harrison for 10% off. You guys have been killing it in buying some Rejuvenator products, so let's keep our kicks clean. Make sure you guys stay laced up and check out Rejuvenator down below. All right, so we're about to load up the comments. We're gonna have 2 comments picked. One is going to be for this $500 mystery box right here. You got the nice Hypebeast goods here. And then we have the Supreme Louis Vuitton iPhone case, about $600-700 worth. So we're giving both of these away. We're loading up the comments now, and then we'll pick 2 winners whenever it's done. All right, guys, so we have 15,558 entries. Now we're gonna go ahead and pick 2 winners. So let's go ahead and start and raffle. See who we got. The first winner up, we have... My camera almost just fell. We have Cheech S. The bait mystery box seems valid. I'm gonna reach out to Cheech S. They have to get back with me within 1 day, or I'm gonna pick another winner coming up. I know it's tilted, the camera fell over. And then we're gonna pick another winner for this is gonna be for the Louis Vuitton phone case because they picked the mystery box. And that winner is Ben Bridge. Hey Harrison, follow the steps, love Supreme. Have a good day, mate. I'm gonna reach out to both of those, and if they do not respond to me within 1 day's time, I'm gonna be picking another winner next week. So good luck to you guys. If you guys didn't do it, we're gonna have more giveaways coming up, so stay tuned. I've probably given away like 100 things in the past year, so there is a chance for you guys to win. There's just a lot of people commenting now. So there's the trade. What do you guys think? Do you think I came out on top? Do you think they came out on top? I think it was pretty fair. Cameraman, do you think it was fair? Do you think it came out good?
Definitely fair trade.
He thinks it's good. This is stuff that I can sell. All the other stuff was very difficult things for me to sell and not the typical market for me, but it's better for their market. So everything came out pretty good. I'm excited to rock these. But if you guys enjoyed this trade and think I should do another one maybe soon or something, I don't know. We have another trade coming. Supreme Louis Vuitton. All got shipped out the other day. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like down below. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.